CC Tactical here. I got the lower build on the Spikes Tactical done. I was waiting on this part right here to put it, the magpul ASAP plate, and I got the tube on and the buttstock on. This is going to be part of that lower builds kit from Palmetto's State Armory, but it didn't come with this ASAP plate, so like I said, I was just waiting on that, my other videos, to put this whole thing together. And this is a finished product. I still got to order the upper for it. I'm going to go with the Adam's Arms upper, piston upper, since I already have a DI. And I'm doing a pistol build, AR15, 2-3, and then I'll be doing also 22 build. I'll be using regular lower, AR15 lower, then just get a probably CCMG dedicated upper. So stay tuned. That's the finished lower on my Spikes Tactical lower. Thanks.